Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log in into the CapCut Mobile. So here, the first thing that you need to do is open your CapCut, and there will be four options that you can select to log in into your CapCut. You can log in with TikTok account, Google with your email, or also with Facebook account. So in here, for example, I'm going to just log in with my TikTok. So click on login to TikTok, and after that, here, because I already log in into my TikTok account, I just need to authorize CapCut to access to my TikTok account. So just click on authorize and wait. So just like that, the sign in is successful, and now I've already logged in into CapCut with my TikTok account. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.